Hello DIY friends. I did what everyone has always wondered. I tried to grow wooden spoons in my garden. Let's have a look how that went. To grow a spoon, I needed young trees that could adapt to the shape of the mold. So I took a weeping willow and a plane tree, got the ends to promote root growth, and let nature do its thing. Once they had enough roots, I planted them outside and let them get to work. I went into the basement and scanned my stash of wood for some ideal planks. I cut the planks to size, screwed them together and drilled a tunnel straight through that would become the handle. Then I chiseled out the spoon bowl, closed it all up and added brackets so I could mount them on metal rods and stick them into the ground. Meet Mr. Spooney and Reese with her spoon. Did you get it? Step 3, because it's about trees, and it's step 3. Anyway, I inserted the young trees into the cavity and moved on to the next step. This was the most labor-intense step, as I had to closely follow up on the progress. Once the trees started swelling above the mold, I figured it was time to harvest my spoons. At this point I was so excited I almost grew a tail just to wag it. First up, the plane tree. I removed the screws, pried it open and found a square stick, not a spoon. Okay, so that kind of sucked. But no worries, I still had Reese the willow. This one had so much pressure, the screws had already popped. It had to be promising, right? Nope, same story, big swelling on top, nothing resembling a spoon at the bottom, and that sucked even more. So basically I ended up with these two dorky looking Frankentrees. But on the contrary, at least now you don't have to go through life wondering whether you can grow wooden spoons in the garden. The answer is no.